Hey guys, today I partnered with FabFitFun to show you guys what's inside my summer seasonal box. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, for $49.99, 4 times a year, you get a seasonal box featuring beauty, lifestyle, fitness, and wellness, different kinds of products featuring cool new brands you haven't heard of, but also featuring some brands that you know and love. You can actually now customize the box. So if you guys want your own summer box, use my promo code SarahFit for $10 off, and you can get some of the same stuff, but you can also customize it to what you want. So let's see what's inside mine. All right, so I'm gonna start with some of the things that I customized. So since it's the summer and I go to the beach a lot, I wanted to get this towel. So this is a circular towel and it has kind of a fun yoga inspired, I guess it's not yoga inspired, but kind of just like a fun chill out pattern. And I love it because you can bring it with you to take a yoga class, you can bring it with you to the beach, you can bring it with you to the park. Next item I'm going to show you are these West Elm tie-dye bowls. I chose these as well. Since I create videos and photos for Instagram, I thought that these would be really cute to use with a lot of my recipes. And I just love that they are compact and they fit inside one another and they photograph really well with cute different food, with different smoothie bowls and granola, muesli, all the good stuff. Perfect for your budding Instagram career. Next we have a Jennifer Zuner jewelry, and it is this beautiful star necklace. I love delicate necklaces, and this is 2 layers, has a little star. When I opened this at first, I had to put it on, and I have been wearing it non-stop. It goes with everything. I'm a big fan of delicate necklaces, and I've been wearing it for a couple weeks now, and neither one of my boys has managed to rip it off, so it's good quality too. This is worth $50, so it's actually worth more than you're gonna pay for this box if you use my promo code. Next we have makeup setting spray from Coola that has 30 SPF. Coola has been one of my favorite brands for a long time. I love their sunscreen. So if your makeup doesn't have SPF built in, this is great. And it's also great to reapply throughout the day. I am huge with SPF on my face to prevent aging, discoloration, melasma, especially if you're pregnant and your hormones are out of whack or you're on birth control. Next are these Invisibobble hair ties. I love these because they do not leave any kinks in your hair, and they really are able to hold it in place. And if I take my hair out after a workout where I didn't sweat and I don't necessarily need to wash my hair, it still looks good. Next is the Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. Stops frizz and lightly conditions your hair. I am a huge Living Proof fan. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know how much I love Living Proof. This little bottle here is going to last you a long time. So basically how you use this is you apply to clean, damp hair from roots to end, and then you style as usual. And it's going to keep your hair from frizzing. However, Living Proof products also have a variety of uses. So even though it has recommended usage, there are a lot of different ways that you can use their products. Next up is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I'm all about skin brightening, especially after my 2 pregnancies. I got melasma pretty bad. You can probably still see it in this video, hopefully not. So I'm a big fan of masks. They're really great to do, especially when your kids are doing a bath time. You just apply it, you wait 10 minutes, and then you wash it off. Some of the benefits that are gonna come from this are your face is gonna look brighter, but also a more even, hydrated skin tone. Next up is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. So I love sprays like this in the middle of the day just to basically hydrate and give your complexion a little bit of a boost. It also smells great. You know, when you have makeup on all day and it starts to get cakey, you start to get lines, your face looks dehydrated, just do a spritz of this, keep it at your office and your desk, and you're good. And here we go, get your feet ready for flip-flop season with this exfoliating foot mask. So if you're like me and you don't have a lot of time to go and get pedicures all the time, this is a great option to have at home. Okay, so it's like a clear gel, so you must kind of rub it in, I guess, and then you leave it on your feet. I'm gonna start using this and I'll let you guys know how it is. You can check out my Instagram stories. So the FabFitFun box is now available in the UK, and you guys can get your first box $10 off using my promo code SarahFit. It's $49.99, but with my promo code, it will be $39.99. And you're gonna get all of this. However, you do get to choose some of the items. So if you don't want a towel or you don't want the bowls, you also could get a kimono, a letterboard. I already have a letterboard. I'm not gonna wear a kimono, but you guys might. You have that option. There is a bag, there are face masks, there is a mini hair dryer. Here's the letterboard there. They also have these silicone wine cups, which I think are great for the beach or the park, an eye pencil, and more. So don't wait. Go and select what items you want in your box, and let me know if you guys have any questions and what your favorite product in my box was. I'll see you guys soon.